To enable PlayStation Portal Remote Play away from home, both your PS5 and Portal must be linked to the same PlayStation Network account. Update your PS5 to the latest system software to access remote play features. On your PS5, navigate to Settings, System, Power Saving, features available in rest mode, and enable both Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. Power on your Portal and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Open the PlayStation app on your smartphone or tablet, sign in with your PSN account, and link your PS5 to the Portal. This initial setup is crucial and must be done at home on the same Wi-Fi network for a secure connection. Once the initial setup is complete, navigate to the Remote Play app on your Portal. Ensure your PS5 is in rest mode. For away-from-home use, connect both devices to the internet via mobile data on the Portal or Wi-Fi. The Portal will prompt for network confirmation. If the connection fails, verify your PSN account status and restart both devices. For optimal mobile performance, connect the Portal to a 5G hotspot with at least 20+ members the upload speed. Remember that remote play relies on internet streaming, and a stable connection is essential. If issues persist, use the PlayStation app to attempt reconnection or check Sony's support hub for troubleshooting steps.